Today I bring you to Rushville, Indiana. I bring you to a historical covered bridge. It's called Homer's Covered Bridge. Now when I do that B-roll and I tell the history, it's going to be quite the history on this bridge. Now I came here last week. This was all covered with snow and ice. I couldn't get anywhere near it. When we got here, we was way over yonder that way. And there's a barbed wire fence right there, so you have to follow the road on down to get in. But we couldn't come anywhere near it. It was too much snow and ice. So guys, I'm going to give you the historical Homer covered bridge. This should be quite spectacular. Homer, or barn covered bridge. This is this covered bridge's second location. It's at Rushville, Rush County, Indiana, built in 1881. This bridge originally crossed Mud Creek in Homer County. However, it floated downstream during a flood and landed on private property, where it was converted into a barn. This structure is a length of 55 feet. It is only Kenneth Bridge still standing today. The Homer Bridge was moved to a second location where it now sits, all put back together, looking as pretty as it ever was before. As long as that wind doesn't blow, we should get some pretty good shots. Oh, let's go inside this place. Before we do that, let's get the side shots. The bridge probably won't be the only thing I'm filming here today. There's lots of cool things around here. I wonder if I could get to the bottom. Nope, there's no way to get to the bottom that I can see. Oh well, that's alright. Oh wow, they got benches all throughout this covered bridge, don't they? Look at this. Holy smokes. In the B-roll, I should be telling the year of this bridge. Because right offhand, I don't remember. And usually when I do the B-roll, guys, I'm reading it off my computer as I do it. 1881, that's the year. I got my lovely wife to thank for that. Oh, this is actually nice. There's no wind in here either. We're gonna do a half a pan around. And my wife is sneaking right behind me as I'm turning the camera. She does not like to be in the camera. I can't really blame her. All these benches were donated by somebody. That's pretty darn cool. That is really cool. That is a long way down, isn't it, guys? Holy smokes. Okay, I'm on the other side now. I still want to go down if I could, but I don't think I can. Oh, wow. It's quite beautiful over there. You know, I like this place. We had to wait a week to get in, but that's okay, isn't it? In memory, that was my GoPro. In memory of our founders, Pioneer Engineer Club of Indiana. They are the ones that put this back together. As I said in the B-roll, if I have my information correct, this was on somebody's farm. They used it as a barn because the floodwaters washed it to the person's farm. I don't know why, but I like this shot the best. That is nice. Okay. We go some more of the bridge, then we go elsewhere, okay? Give you a general idea where I'm at. I'm not sure what anything is up here because we're new around here, but oh wow, look at that. Before we go back through the bridge, let's go up a little further and get some shots. Heritage Toolworks. I guess that would be open in the summertime. Oh, pretty fantastic. This is Pioneer Forge. Not exactly sure what it's all about, but pretty nice. You got another building there and one up yonder there. Huh. And here's the covered bridge from here. Oh, so cool. We're going to the other side and check out some stuff over there. But before we do that, let's do a pan. Now my monopod's in the gravel, so this pan may be a little jerky. Yeah, it doesn't do so well in gravel. But yeah, I'm guessing this place will be kind of popular in the spring and summer. I mean, it's March now, so spring's coming, isn't it, guys? And Kitt and Angie's going on down that way. We just keep with the pan. Yeah, we just keep with the pan, y'all. Right there. Okay, let me tell her what I'm doing. We'll jump on the GoPro as we walk back through and do some talking. Yeah, we rolled up on here last week to do some filming, only to be stopped by ice and snow. I got out of the car, I walked in something like maybe 200 yards with Kitt, almost fell and bit the dust quite a few times. And I said, we can't even walk back to this place. It's quite dangerous. You know, so was like, we'll try it when it's a different time. Well, we had a lot of warm days last week. So that's why all the ice and snow is melted off. And I was so worried, guys. I was so worried this wasn't going to pan out. But guess what? We are the only one here. It's pretty. It's fantastic. And it's historical. It's a covered bridge. And I likes it. I just did another amateur move. I had my lens cap closed. But we're back over here at the covered bridge. I mean, that's what this video is about anyway. Went over on the other side, didn't see a lot. Oh, the camera dropped down in the gravel. But we're going to go back over there again anyway. Because I've seen another bridge I want to get a shot of. Oh, I hate filming with the monopod on gravel. That is a nice shot right there. Even though the tree's in my way, but that's okay. I still give anything to be able to go down there. Looks like some kind of... Oh, it looked like it might have been the bottom of this at one time. Is underneath. Let me see if I can point the camera down. There we go. Hope you guys can see that down there. Some kind of steel structure. I am wondering if that's what was underneath this and they just put a new one on. I know they had to do a lot of rebuilding. Whoop, my foot just hit the monopod. I know they did a lot of rebuilding on this when they got it over here. I mean, shoot. The farmer was using it as a barn, so I imagine. So I'm not sure how much of it's the original part of it. I say a good chunk of it is. Alright, guys. We're going to go from here. Hopefully be able to get some filming somewhere else on the other side of the property. I've seen a bridge way over yonder. I'm going to see what it looks like. Not sure why all these benches are in here. Don't know. I just don't know, unless, I guess sometimes through the summer months, they have lots of peoples, but that's okay. If you want to sit down on a bench, take a load off, you can. Yeah. I'm going to shoot all this part on my action camera, the GoPro. We'll get some G70 shots down here of other things, but yeah. Kitt, you seem to be acting a little nervousy. He doesn't really like covered bridges too well. He's doing better than what he used to. All right, we're going to get some shots on my bigger camera of different things. And we're just going to roll with it, man. What I thought was a bridge is a bridge, but it's actually on the road. From a distance, it looked like a railroad bridge. But guys, this is it. This has been Homer's Historical Covered Bridge. We came here last week, drove all that distance, only turned around and had to go back home. So this week I was like, let's try it. Now I do have a pretty decent adventure coming up next. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. You'll see that. Well, I do. My videos usually goes up on Mondays and Fridays. So you will see that on a Monday. I'm not sure which one I'm doing, but whatever I do, I would do the next one the following week. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. Was doing some look-seeing, right? It looks like to us of the summer months they have camping way over on the other side. Yeah, right over yonder there. That's the covered bridge. But that's what it looks like. Yeah. It's right here, some kind of water silo. Yeah, it's a pretty neat little place. It truly is. Kind of reminds us of a place we call Friendship. Let me tell you why. Friendship gets busy. Friendship is a small little sleepy town. But twice a year it gets super busy because they have flea markets down there. I don't know if they have flea markets here, but that's what it puts us in mind of Friendship down where the flea markets are. It's a nice little place. I would love to come back here again in the future and pay it another visit of the summertime. You know, maybe check out some of the camping. Of course, the next time Angie and I go camping, we've been talking. We want to go... Excuse me. We want to go camping right on a creek, lake, or river so we can fish. All right, guys, this is it right here today. This is it. Hopefully I did this video justice, and I hope my filming was up to par. And I hope I got enough B-roll to cover the history. As if I'm not mistaken, I think the history might be kind of lengthy. Until next time, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. Please hit that like button. It does wonders for my video. And we'll catch you on our next adventure. I got a long way to go back home, y'all. Until then, come on. Before I say let's get out of here, there's my bubby Kitt. And there's my wife. She's on the cell phone talking to her daughter. Okay, Kitt, let's say goodbye. Let's end it out by you saying goodbye, okay? Say goodbye. Say, come on, let's get out of here. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.